Hello, I'm Andrew Smith, and this is my extra credit report on the physics of baseball. Baseball is one of America's oldest sports, and is often referred to as America's favorite pastime. There are many physics principles that apply to baseball in all facets of the game. This presentation focused mainly on the interaction between the ball and the bat during its collision. The first part of the presentation focused on the kinematics of the bat-ball collision. One of the biggest factors in this relation is the mass of the bat. This led to the presenter to discuss a controversial idea in baseball, corking. This refers to the idea of replacing the center of the bat with a cork, making the bat heavier. After various physics tests, it was determined that corking had no significant effect on the bat-ball collision. The next important idea that was presented was the elasticity of the bat. This is one reason why there has been a switch from aluminum bats to wooden bats. When a ball hits a bat, an interaction similar to a spring occurs. The bat compresses and then pushes back on the ball, causing it to change direction. Very little speed is lost due to the conservation of energy principles that govern the collision. Wooden bats compress more and therefore push back with greater force than aluminum bats would. I was surprised to learn that the reason that they use wooden bats versus aluminum bats was due to their elasticities. I always figured that one would be able to hit a ball farther with a metal bat simply because of the higher weight as compared to a wooden bat, but as I learned, mass is not the most important part of hitting a baseball long distances. Another area where physics is heavily involved is in the way that the batter hits the ball. No matter how the ball is hit, the principles of projectile motion will take effect. However, depending on the angle of contact between the ball and the bat, the ball will react differently. For example, if the ball is hit down on by the bat, the ball will fly forward at a greater speed, but will drop quickly and will not travel as far of a distance. If the ball is hit at an angle, then the ball will fly much farther than it would have if it was hit directly. However, the ball will not have as much speed as if it were hit dead on. For a player to hit a home run, they have to find the proper angle to hit the ball to maximize both its speed and its distance.